Mastering intransitive phrasal verbs. Formal versus informal. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today we're diving into an exciting part of English grammar. Intransitive phrasal verbs. In this video, we're going to focus on how these verbs are used in both formal and informal settings. It's crucial to understand this because it can really help elevate your English speaking and writing skills. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of formal and informal usage, let's briefly remind ourselves of what intransitive phrasal verbs are. Intransitive phrasal verbs are phrases that consist of a verb and one or two particles. The important thing to remember is that these verbs do not take a direct object. Some examples are wake up, give in, show off, and go on. In formal settings, such as academic writing, business communication, or formal speeches, you might notice that the use of phrasal verbs is generally limited. This is due to a tendency to prefer more formal equivalents over phrasal verbs. However, this does not mean that you should avoid them completely. Phrasal verbs like go on or break down are still used. It's all about picking the right phrasal verb for the right context. Let's look at an example. Informal, the meeting went on for hours. Formal, the meeting continued for several hours. In this case, went on could still be acceptable in a formal context, but using continued makes it sound even more formal. In informal settings like daily conversations, emails to friends, or social media posts, intransitive phrasal verbs are commonly used. They can make your language more natural and conversational. For example, I need to wake up early tomorrow. He always shows off his new gadgets. As you can see, the phrasal verbs, wake up, and show off, give a relaxed and casual tone to the sentences. One of the key skills to acquire in mastering any language is the ability to shift seamlessly between formal and informal contexts. This involves not only knowing the appropriate phrasal verbs to use but also understanding the overall tone, style, and conventions of both types of communication. For instance, formal, I regret to inform you that the project broke down due to unforeseen circumstances. Informal, I'm really sorry, but the project fell apart because of stuff we didn't see coming. You can see how the tone, style, and language change between the formal and informal sentences. And there you have it. We hope that this video has shed some light on the use of intransitive phrasal verbs in formal and informal settings. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural your use of these verbs will become. Until next time, keep learning, and keep practicing your English.